Yeah, it is possible for you to think that you don't need it now. By the time is coming when you're going to need it, especially at this time when things are moving on to the next level in this 21st century. Communication is very, very essential and very important in the life of people because when you need to buy some things, when you need to do businesses with other people, you're going to make use of languages to communicate with them. And by so doing, you are gaining a very huge opportunity that is going to make you to do very good and profit-filled businesses. So because of that, you need to acquaint yourself with some languages that are going to make you to do businesses very, very well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my class of French language for beginners. I want to teach French language and make sure the beginners are starting to understand the language and making use of it at least at a special level that will make them to succeed in their businesses. So today, I'm just going to start with something very, very simple. I know you're all familiar with the way we greet in French because when you want to learn the language, the first thing is to know how to greet. So we need to know the greetings. For example, you meet somebody for the first time, you say good day, which is bonjour in French. Bonjour. Bonjour. Good day. If it is in the evening, you say bonsoir. Bonsoir. That is good evening. And if in the night, you say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. That is in the night. Then when you are departing from that gathering or you're leaving your friend, you say au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye or bye-bye. Then at times when you greet people, they are supposed to ask you questions. How are you? For example, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Or comment vous vous portez? Comment vous vous portez? Yeah, that is the two are just for elderly people or use it for people that you're meeting for the first time because the French people, they're usually very, very respectful, especially when they are getting to know you for the first time. So they use respect not to talk to you. But if it is somebody that is your mate or somebody you have been doing things together for a long time, then you can say, instead of comment allez-vous, you can say comment tu vas. Comment tu vas. And instead of saying comment vous vous portez, you can say comment tu te portes. Comment tu te portes. And it's going to answer you, I am good, thank you. Très bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. Je me porte bien, merci. So these are greetings for interaction, at least when you are meeting somebody for the first time. Please like and comment. Let me know what is not very clear or what you think I should add to this in the next lesson. I'll be expecting that. God bless you. Au revoir.